Hey friends, welcome to today's Singapore Market Digest. I'm Wei from the Investing Iguana, and today we're looking at some interesting movements in the Singapore market. Let's dive into the updates on Singtel, ST Engineering, CapitaLand Ascendas Right, and Japan Foods. First up, Singtel, ticker Z24. Singtel is one of Asia's leading communications technology groups, and it's making headlines again. Its regional data center arm, Nxera DCT, just secured a massive $643 million 5-year green loan. This funding will go toward developing a new 58 megawatt data center in Singapore. The loan involves major banks like DBS, OCBC, Standard Chartered, HSBC, and UOB, definitely a sign of confidence in this project. Singtel's shares ended Thursday slightly higher by 0.6%, closing at $3.23. That's a 0.022 gain for the day. The trading volume was steady as investors digested this positive news. From a technical perspective, Singtel's stock has been hovering around its recent highs, with support forming near the $3.20 level. If it breaks above $3.25 with strong volume, we could see further upside. Zooming out to the industry context, data centers are becoming increasingly critical as demand for cloud services and digital infrastructure grows. With this green loan and its focus on sustainability, Singtel positions itself well in this booming sector. Compared to peers like Keppel DC REIT, which also focuses on data centers, Singtel's diversification into telecoms gives it an edge in balancing risk and growth. Next, we have ST Engineering, ticker S63. This technology and engineering powerhouse continues to impress with its strong performance in the aerospace sector. On Thursday, the group announced securing a whopping $4.3 billion worth of new contracts in Q4 2024. These contracts highlight ST Engineering's robust market position and the ongoing recovery in aviation demand. Before this announcement, ST Engineering shares closed at $4.83 on Thursday, up by 0.2% or 0.01 for the day. The trading volume was moderate but could pick up as investors digest the scale of these new deals. Technically speaking, ST Engineering's stock has been consolidating between $4.80 and $4.90 recently. A breakout above $4.90 could signal bullish momentum. In terms of industry trends, global aerospace is rebounding strongly as travel demand returns post-pandemic. ST Engineering is capitalizing on this recovery while also diversifying into defense and smart city solutions, making it a resilient player compared to pure aviation companies like SATs. Moving on to CapitaLand Ascendas Right, ticker A17U, or CLA for short, Singapore's largest business space and industrial REIT by market cap. CLA announced a solid 3.2% increase in its distribution per unit, DPU, for the second half of 2024, now at 0.90768 compared to last year's period. Distributable income also rose by 3.4% year-on-year to hit $338 million. Class units ended Thursday up by 0.8%, closing at 2.59, a gain of 0.02 before these results were released. The trading volume was healthy as investors showed confidence in CLA's consistent performance, despite macroeconomic headwinds like rising interest rates. From a technical angle, CLA is showing strength above its key support level of $2.55 and could challenge resistance near $2.65 if momentum builds up further. In the broader REIT sector, CLA stands out for its focus on industrial properties, a segment that has shown resilience compared to retail or office. REITs like CapitaLand Integrated Commercial Trust. Finally, let's talk about Japan Foods, ticker 50I, a group known for operating Japanese restaurant chains across Singapore and beyond. Unfortunately, Japan Foods reported a net loss of $2.9 million for the 9 months ending December 31st, 2024, a sharp reversal from its net profit of $668,000 during the same period last year. The company attributed this loss to higher operating expenses driven by an increased number of outlets during this period, a classic case of expansion pains outweighing immediate returns. Despite the grim results, Japan Foods shares closed higher by 1.5% at $0.335 on Thursday, up by $0.15 before this announcement hit the newswire. Looking at the charts, Japan Foods stock seems to be finding support around the 0.33 level after a prolonged downtrend earlier this year, but it remains vulnerable unless there's a clear turnaround in fundamentals. In comparison to other F&B players in Singapore like BreadTalk or Jumbo Group, which have also faced challenges due to rising costs, Japan Foods may need time to stabilize before regaining investor confidence. That wraps up today's digest. We've covered Singtel's green loan milestone, ST Engineering's blockbuster contracts, Cla's steady DPU growth, and Japan Foods' struggles amid expansion challenges. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from the Investing Iguana. I'll see you tomorrow.